Robots are becoming more common in our world. They are machines designed to perform tasks automatically. Some robots are simple, performing repetitive actions in factories. Others are more complex, using artificial intelligence to learn and adapt. As technology advances, robots are becoming more sophisticated. They can perform a wider range of tasks. This raises important questions about their role in our lives. Will robots be our friends, helping us to achieve more? Or will they become a threat, replacing humans in the workplace and beyond? Robots offer numerous benefits. They can perform dangerous, repetitive, or highly precise tasks that are difficult or dangerous for humans. This is especially valuable in industries like manufacturing, construction, and healthcare. Robots can work tirelessly without breaks, improving efficiency and productivity. In our daily lives, robots are already making things easier. Robotic vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers save time and effort. Smart home devices, powered by artificial intelligence, can control our appliances, lighting, and entertainment systems with voice commands. These technologies free up our time and energy for other pursuits. The potential for robots to improve our lives is vast. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, robots can be integrated into our daily routines, making tasks easier and more efficient. Imagine a world where robots help with household chores, assist in cooking, and even provide companionship. This isn't a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. In healthcare, robots can assist surgeons with delicate procedures, improving accuracy and patient outcomes. These advanced machines can perform surgeries with precision that surpasses human capabilities, reducing recovery times and minimizing risks. Beyond the operating room, robots can also help in diagnostics, rehabilitation, and patient care, ensuring a higher standard of medical treatment. They can also provide companionship and care for the elderly or disabled, enhancing their quality of life. Robots can remind patients to take their medication, monitor their health, and even engage them in social activities, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. This support allows individuals to maintain their independence while ensuring they receive the care they need. Robots can also play a crucial role in tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges, from addressing climate change by monitoring environmental conditions to developing sustainable solutions. Robots are at the forefront of innovation. They can analyze vast amounts of data to predict natural disasters, helping communities prepare and respond more effectively. They can be deployed in disaster relief efforts, searching for survivors in hazardous environments or cleaning up toxic spills. Equipped with advanced sensors and mobility, these robots can navigate through dangerous terrains, providing critical assistance where humans cannot safely go. Their involvement can significantly speed up rescue operations and reduce the risk to human life. In space exploration, robots can venture to distant planets and collect valuable data, expanding our understanding of the universe. These robotic explorers can withstand harsh conditions, travel to places humans cannot yet reach, and send back information that could be crucial for future manned missions. Their contributions are paving the way for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos. While robots offer many potential benefits, there are also valid concerns about their impact on society. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. As robots become more capable, they may automate jobs currently performed by humans, leading to unemployment and economic disruption. Another concern is the potential for robots to be used for malicious purposes. In the wrong hands, robots could be programmed to cause harm, whether through accidents or intentional misuse. This raises important questions about robot safety, security, and ethical guidelines for their development and deployment. Section 5: Robots and Us, Ethical Considerations. The rise of robots presents us with complex ethical dilemmas. As we integrate these advanced machines into our daily lives, we must navigate a myriad of moral and ethical questions that have no easy answers. As robots become more intelligent and autonomous, we must consider their moral status. Should robots have rights? If so, what kind of rights should they be granted? These questions challenge our traditional understanding of rights and personhood. Who is responsible when a robot causes harm? Is it the manufacturer, the programmer, or the user? The issue of liability becomes even more complicated as robots gain the ability to make independent decisions. These questions require careful consideration as we integrate robots into our lives. Policymakers, ethicists, and technologists must work together to create frameworks that ensure the safe and ethical use of robots. Furthermore, there is the question of human connection and social interaction. How will our relationships change as robots become more prevalent in our homes and workplaces? As robots become more integrated into our lives, will they replace human interaction, leading to social isolation and a decline in interpersonal skills? Or can they enhance our social lives by taking over mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more meaningful interactions? Finding the right balance between technological advancement and human well-being is crucial. As we move forward, we must ensure that the integration of robots into our society enhances our lives without compromising our ethical values and human connections. Section 6. Robots in the real world. Examples and insights. The debate over robots is not merely theoretical, it is playing out in the real world. Self-driving cars, for instance, promise increased safety and efficiency, but also raise concerns about liability in accidents. Similarly, the use of drones for delivery and surveillance raises questions about privacy and security. In manufacturing, robots have already transformed production lines, increasing efficiency but also displacing some workers. These examples highlight the need for careful planning and adaptation as robots become more prevalent in various sectors. Section 7. The balancing act, weighing the pros and cons. The relationship between humans and robots is complex and multifaceted. Robots offer incredible potential to improve our lives, but they also present challenges that we must address responsibly. Finding the right balance between embracing the benefits of robotics while mitigating potential risks is paramount. This requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration between scientists, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public. By working together, we can harness the power of robotics for good while ensuring that human values and well-being remain at the forefront. Section 8. Looking ahead, the future of robots and humanity. The future of robots and humanity is intertwined. As we look ahead, it's clear that robots will become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our environments and routines. As robots continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly play an increasingly significant role in our lives. From healthcare to manufacturing and even in our homes, robots will assist us in ways we can only begin to imagine. It is up to us to shape that future responsibly, ensuring that robots remain tools to enhance our lives rather than diminish them. By embracing ethical guidelines, we can create a harmonious coexistence between humans and robots. Investing in education and retraining programs is crucial. As the job market evolves, new skills will be required, and it's essential to prepare the workforce for these changes. Fostering open dialogue within communities and industries will help us navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by the rise of robots. By working together, we can address concerns and find solutions that benefit everyone. The key lies in harnessing the power of technology while preserving our humanity. By doing so, we can ensure a future where robots and humans coexist in a way that enhances our quality of life and drives progress for all. Section 9. Vocabulary. Check. Understanding key terms. Test your understanding of some key concepts related to robots. 1. Robot. 2. Artificial intelligence. 3. Automation. 4. Ethics. 5. Job displacement. 6. Autonomous. 7. Algorithm. 8. Machine learning. 9. Robotics. 10. Humanoid.